water vapour, eh? That's going to disappear, is it? No, watch what's going to happen tomorrow. We're just going to have this grey smog over our sky because they don't want us getting access to the sunshine. They've invested 66.6 million in geoengineering because of climate change. They need to block out the sun. What they're really doing, people, is blocking out the consciousness. They're trying to stop us from absorbing this new light from the sun, which would make life on Earth better. So all you need to do is look up. You don't need to be a genius to see that this isn't normal. And you try to point it out and you're a madman, you're a conspiracy theorist for saying that this isn't normal. And as I've said, people, you're not sick, you're just under the weather.
I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
You videoing right now? Oh god, don't video right now.
It's like it's spraying out of the top of his wings.
Don't do any evidence.
Yesterday was the clearest, sunniest day ever, and now this. Just wait and see. Tomorrow and the next day or the rest of the week will be so freaking buggy and ugly, white sky, overcast, if you can even call it that. It hurts for me to look at those white sky days. I literally have to wear sunglasses.
Imagine a population so brainwashed that you could convince them to be terrified of a virus that they've never seen, while spraying them daily in broad daylight in the sky, only for them to deny it's happening to them because no one on TV told them it was.
Every single day, this is what the sky looks like in Mexico. All natural clouds. Notice there's no lines in the sky blocking out the sun, dispersing, no chemtrails whatsoever. That's because Mexico banned geoengineering, and this is what the skies look like every single day. They ban chemtrails because they don't want to block out the sun, because they want tourists to come here that are from other countries that hate chemtrails and hate geoengineering. And this is what the skies look like in Canada. And in the US, they are full of chemicals and heavy metals, and that's what they're spraying on us. And then we got Mexico. Beautiful, natural clouds. So, just goes to show, that's the proof right there.